It's been a pretty crazy couple years, to say the least, in our industry, from COVID to not having anything on the ground. But it sounds like things are kind of changing a little bit here as we approach 23. What can you tell me about that, Bret?
Well, I believe they're getting closer to normal, but not quite there. And there's a lot of the inventory that we can get fairly quick. There's certain constraints that might be from the factory. Things are coming quicker, and like in the Dodge world, we can get a sold vehicle really fast. If you just get a hold of us, we can give you a really dialed in, what's happening right now for the particular vehicle that you want. But the thing I can assure you is we can get you something quicker than anybody in the area.
I mean, I think when you look back, all of the inventory that we're able to have on the ground, the amount of vehicles we've sold in the last 45 years has allowed us a little bit of opportunity with the factories.
Exactly, and like you said, it's something that's been earned over 45 years of performing really well, which is helping us right now help our customers.